Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products. On this episode of Boost It, we have a BD stealth cover here. So a lot of performance modules on the 98.5 to 02 trucks, the Cummins, they will tap one of these wires on your VP pump, which is going to push way more fuel, and that's how you're going to get your power right. Well, that connection can be loose or corrode over time. So BD's come out with a stealth cover. You unscrew, pop this top plate off, and you just screw this one on. Comes with everything you need to install, special tools and whatnot, and it's going to tap directly onto the top of this pin on this pump. So, I mean, it's just going to be a much more clean install, and it's going to be secured forever for the life of the pump. So, really nice kit here from BD for you second-gen Cummins guys. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Pacific time. You can also reach us on our site via chats or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.